everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the Crafty Corner.
Hi everybody, it's Katrina. Welcome to the Crafty Corner. Alright, so story time, y'all. No, I'm not coming on to show you a basket. I am coming on, however, to share some great news with you. So, about a month and a half ago, I had a company that contacted me through my QR code, my business link, and wanted me to sponsor their product. And I was reluctant. Of course, you know, anytime somebody contacts you with stuff like that, you have to be aware of whether it's a scam or not, if it's legit, and all of that. So they had my email information, and they emailed me with that question: would I sponsor their products, with an offer to send me the products for free, and ask me to review them. So I said, of course, yeah, I'll check you out, because Free and me, we get along very well. Because you know, you'll get a lot of requests for that, especially as you grow your channels, for things like that they want you to pay for the product, you know. So that's one way to vet whether it's a legitimate sponsorship or not, because a lot of those sponsorship places, they won't ask you to pay for the product. They will send you their product as a sample order, which is what this company did. So backing up here, that month and a half ago, the email said for me to go on their website and pick out the products, and they provided a link for me to do so. So I did that. I went in there and I looked at all the products they had, and I picked out 3 products that I wanted to check out and see if I wanted to do a review on those 3 products once I received them. So I waited and waited and waited for the order to come. All right, this was the first actual red flag I got with this company, was that it took so long for these products to come, you know, or it was taking so long. You know, well, the products arrived today. So we're a month and a half later. The products did come in today. And this is the box that they came in. So first of all, they were very securely packaged. All right, with the fragile label on the box. All right, and then they had their own branding tape. All right, which I noticed this immediately because I have the same thing. All right, and I will tell you in a separate video where you can get the tape from, that if you want your tape that you wrap your packages with branded. All right, so that's what drew me to when they brought the order in. They thought it was something that I bought and ordered and all of this for baskets and everything. And I was like, oh no, that is the company that wants me to be a sponsor. And I said, okay. So I was super excited that the order actually came today, y'all. So I wanted to do the review. All right, so first off, they sent me a card. All right, and this was the envelope. Just had my name on the front of it, and I opened it, took the card out. All right, and inside the envelope was a company card. So the name of this company is Noble Crown Fragrances. All right, Noble Crown Fragrances, they have a website, and they are on all social media outlets, including Pinterest. All right, and the owner's name is Burnett King. All right, so inside the envelope was a thank you card. All right, and the thank you card says, "Hi Katrina, thank you for the sample order, and thank you for putting up with the delay as we move to Arizona. I know our products will be a great fit for your customers. Please let me know if you have any questions. Burnett, Noble Crown." All right, so the reason for the delay, they were moving to Arizona. All right, they moved from Texas to Arizona because this company was originally out of Texas, Leander, Texas. For those of my Texas subbies that are out in that area. That is where the company was located. All right, so I picked out 3 of the items that I wanted to do a review on. All right, the first item that I picked out was the Noble Crown Fragrances Room and Linen Spray. All right, and this is the packaging. All right, and this one is called Envoy. All right, and this is a scented linen and room spray. It's handmade, and this was actually poured in Leander, Texas. All right, and then they give you the instructions. Of course, you want to shake it well before you spray it, and all of that. I love the crowns on this packaging for Noble Crown. Very, very nice. So let's see what the bottle looks like. Okay. Very simple bottle, y'all. Nothing spectacular. It is a nice bottle. All right. Very eye-worthy. All right. So this is definitely a nice packaging. It says Noble Crown Fragrances here on the side. All right. And then it says Envoy, which is the fragrance. All right. And then on this side here, it says Ocean Water, Salt Air, and Amber. All right, so I'm just going to give this a little spray to see what it smells like. Okay. All right, y'all, this smells divine. This really does smell very, very good. All right, so I'm definitely liking and feeling the Envoy. All right, because it does smell really good. All right, also inside the package is one of the company pamphlets. This is Noble Crown. Right. So we're going to put this back in its box. I would definitely put these in a basket. Room and linen sprays, we know we use them a lot. They're very popular in our baskets, especially a home basket. Are one of the baskets we do for the realtors. All right, so these very nice product, smells wonderful, and the packaging is beautiful. So I do like this. All right, I'm going to set that to the side, and then another item, or the second item that I picked out was called Queen. All right, and this is the packaging for Queen. Again, a Noble Crown product. All right, and this is a fragrance for our bodies. Fragrance spray. All right, and that is what this packaging looks like. All right, very, very, very nice. All right, I love the packaging for this. I love this spray bottle. The little box it came in. All right, it looks very, very nice. All right, so this one, again, is another spray. All right, and we're going to give it a spray. Spray down here. See, it's on there. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, y'all. This smells divine. All right, again, this is called Queen, and this is the packaging for it. All right, and it too has an information pamphlet in there. That's the pamphlet. And I'm going to stick that back in the box. Close this up. And that is what that looks like. Oh, that smells so good. Ooh, I love it, y'all. I love it. All right, so I'm glad these are samples. Because I get to keep them and order some from them if I want to put these in my baskets All right, and then the third sample that I received from them free of charge is the item here, and this is called Regal Home Gift Basket. All right, and it just says scent number 133, which is the gingerbread, poached pear, and lemon zest. All right, and this was wrapped actually around the box that this item came in. So we're going to take it out. All right, and this is the box for it. Of course, with the packaging wrapped around it. So when you receive it, that is what it will look like. All right, and it is sealed completely up. So you just simply separate the seam, and I'll trim that off and we'll tape that back on there. All right, and once you separate that seam, the whole thing will come off. Now, it is a belly band on this box, so if you can slide it off and slide it back on. I couldn't get it to slide off, so I had to just actually go ahead and take it off. All right, and this is a candle. Very, very nice candle. All right, so the candle is green and it smells really, really good too, y'all. It has the long wick in it, and with the warning label on the bottom, and it says gift baskets. All right, so this smells really good. I really do like this. So we're going to set these items back in their box. Set those two right there. So I would have to say, for me, these items definitely get an A+. They smell divine, y'all. They absolutely smell good. And this is Noble Crown Fragrances. This is Elevate Your Space. This is the card. Her website is www.noblecrown.shop. All right. So go check it out. All right. And they are on all social medias: YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest. All right. And if you just want to make an inquiry, it would be info@noblecrown.shop. All right, so that is Burnett King. That is their information. And like I said, I give it an A+. I am extremely satisfied with these products. I think they are wonderful. So I am happy to do this review for them and get it out there. And I will be visiting them to see about putting more products in my baskets. So I hope you all enjoyed that sponsorship, and I'm so excited about it. I do want to talk pricing. So for these items on their website, the candle is listed at $49. All right, so that is very steep, y'all. And I'm working out a whole different kind of deal with them. So I won't be having to pay those large prices to get any of these items that I want, especially because they want them endorsed, or they want the sponsorship, which I'm very happy to do because the deal is a good one. All right, so the fragrance room spray, linen and room spray, is $29, and the perfume is also $29. Those are the retail prices on those items, and those items their particular items, they smell good, y'all. They are definitely worth the retail price that she has them at, and which I don't have to pay that at all. But I would definitely put these in high-end baskets, and reserve them for my custom orders, that have a good budget, and because they're definitely worth it, and they smell wonderful. So go on their website and check out their different products and everything. You may want to just get some for yourself. So you all be blessed. But most importantly, be a blessing. Hi everybody, it's Katrina.
It's the crafty corner crafting.